This is my new 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, and today I'm going to show you 12 simple mods that you can take your Tacoma from stock to trail ready without breaking the bank. Let's do this. From hidden storage to full trail recovery, these are the budget-friendly upgrades you need for your Tacoma. Let's start with cargo control. Rough Country wants $200 for a pair of bed trays, but I found a wider, tougher option for $86. The Pig Utility Containment Tray slides in and out of the bed like butter. Perfect for gear, recovery boards, or muddy boots. Only needed one and it's rock solid. Next up, storage you didn't know you had. This JK cover tray slides under your driver's side vent. No tape, no tools, perfect for keys, cards, or coins. Clean and OEM looking. I love this. This tray right above the glove box. It's useful, but things slide all over the place. Toughskin's foam inserts give you a non-slip surface and a precision cut for the Tacoma. It's made in the USA, down in Florida, and it's built to last, and your gear's not sliding all over the place. Now up here we got some style points. They have no functional purpose, maybe a little protection, but check out these Grille accents. These bring my Trailhunter up to the next level. They're simple stick on, but they make the front end look mean and aggressive.
Installation is easy. Just get some rubbing alcohol, clean the area, and then peel and stick. Toyota sells a console safe for around $300. But I found this carbon steel version for less than half the price. It's got a 4-digit lock, anti-theft design, and once it's in, it feels just as secure. The included instructions say to assemble everything inside the console, but trust me, that's painful. Here's how I did it instead. First, mount the driver's side bracket outside the truck. I actually used my tailgate as a workbench. Tighten it down with the provided tool. Next, drop in the passenger side bracket. Hand tighten the acorn nuts, then finish snugging them with the provided tool. Use the puncture tool to get your 3 screws started, then tighten them down. They give you a tiny Phillips screwdriver, but I grabbed a magnetic driver which made it way easier. Once installed, set your 4-digit combo. If you ever forget it, there are recovery instructions, but don't leave those in your truck. Keep them somewhere safe.
If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. We installed some pre-auxiliary wiring. We love it. No relays, right? But these boring aux 1 through 4 buttons are just that, boring. I went with some custom switches. My aux beam pobs are on a Sasquatch button. My rigid rear is on a rear lights button. Way cooler.
Now this install is a little more complicated, so if you want to skip ahead the next section, go right ahead. We'll get right into the plain old storage trunk that can store a Badlands jack right after this install. First, I'll pull out the storage gear mounted with the Desert system. And I love this, by the way. Be sure to go check out that video. Anyway, we got to remove this so I can get the floor mats out.
So first thing, we're going to pop this up. And it should just pop right up, just like the 3rd gen. Easy does it. And there we go.
Next, we want to remove the driver's side kick panel. Just unscrew the retaining clip. Next, remove the kick panel. Then we'll take out the first 8mm screw. Then we'll take out the 8mm screw and pull off the lower dash panel. Next, grab a plastic trim removal tool and carefully pry off the far right dash panel where the switches are located. Now I picked these switches up from ch4before.com, and I'm working on making them available soon on my own website as well. To get them out, you'll need to unplug the switch connectors, remove as many as necessary. Pro tip: snap a picture or label the wires before unplugging them, so you don't mix things up during reassembly. To pop out the switch itself, I used a J-hook tool from my Amazon trim removal kit. Push in one side of the switch, then the other, and that slides right out the front. Installing the new switch is easy. Just press it in until it clicks into place, reconnect your wires, and then reassemble everything in reverse order. Next up, plain old sportsman's trunk. Waterproof, lockable, even fits a Badlands jack. Perfect add-on to the bed tray. And if I wanted, I could even mount it to my billy bars using their M8 hardware kit. Next up, OEM door scuff protectors. It's an easy install, just peel and stick. Not only do they protect against door scuffs, but they stabilize the lower door panels. And they look great. Next up, Desert Does It seat jackers with storage. I covered this in a previous video, but thought it was important to cover briefly again. Surprisingly, the seat jacker does provide better comfort. Combined with the multi-mount panel, right angle bracket, and clockable extension, you can have storage right up close. The great thing is I can get you 7% off anything at Desert Does It. Now if you wheel hard, a high lift jack is a must, but where do you mount it? Well, I use these Clavius mount clamps to mount them to my Billy Bars molly panel. It's an easy install. You just mount the brackets through the molly panels, tighten them up, then you put your high lift jack into the clamps, and then using the provided knobs, just screw them on. It's super easy. So you got some rock sliders, but you want to use a high lift jack. You need this adapter. You place this on the end of the high lift jack, secure it with a pin, put it under your rock sliders, and you can lift the whole side of your truck up. I highly recommend this if you've got a high lift jack and rock sliders. Now I recommend this cover to protect your high lift jack. Protects it from the weather, rust, and that sort of thing. And it just zips on and zips off. Last one, the high lift stabilizer base. Ever had your high lift jack sink in mud, sand? This solves it. High vis, heavy duty, and trail proven. That's 12 simple must-have affordable mods that make the 2025 Toyota Tacoma tougher, smarter, and ready for adventure. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below. Links are in the description if you want to grab any of these for your own build.
Hey, thanks for joining me today. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.